Okay, Livvy's about to get a treat. She really loves them. There we go, gentle girl. She's such a gentle girl. She's waiting. She's being patient. Oh, no, no, no. There you go, good girl. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Toy. Oh, I think she does. Go get it. Oh. I have a fishy toy for Livvy. She's being a good girl. She's sitting. Ready? Go get it, Livvy. Oh! Bringing it back to the bed. Oh, we're laying down. Oh, good girl. She likes to take her toys and then come lay down with them. Look. Say, I'm so agile. I'm so agile. Sit. Good girl. And I take treats super nicely. Good girl. We're gonna see if she'll come up here. Oh, good job, Livvy. Good job, Livvy. Yay, sit. Good girl. She's excellent at sitting. That's what we do when we want her to relax. We say sit. She's super good at it. You wanna do it again? Let's show them how you do it. Let's show them how you rock it. Sit. Good girl. Sit, sit, sit. Good, sweet girl. Sit. Okay, come on. Hey, whoa. Good girl. Perfect.
Rosie, you do look sleepy. Are you sharing?
Do you want to give her a marshmallow?
I bet she'll like it. If you squeeze it, you're gonna warm it up for her. Okay, and put your hands back. See if she wants it. She's like, I don't know what is happening.